Should we test out a new bleep feature?
Yeah.
You motherfucking stupid. Who the f would you ever go here? Bobby's, not bad, delightful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. We are in Bedford. We've got a very nice review in store for you guys, but before we kick off, we've got a video sponsor. There's the logo, Amicus Insurance. Welcome back to the page, a major sponsor of our channel. This is really funny actually. I was at my burger wagon having a chat with my friend about insuring a car through his scaffolding company, Ash from Ajax Scaffolding. Hello. And he whipped out his insurance policy, Amicus. I said, you wouldn't believe that, they're a major sponsor of the page. I said, what are they like? And he actually said we've been in for 12 months and loved it. So that's like an actual testimonial, hello, from one of my friends about one of my sponsors, Amicus, a massive company. If you're involved in trades, go ahead to move it in.
Cut.
So just had to move the car. So if you work with any trades, or you're a tradesman, or you run a fleet of vehicles, you probably will know who Amicus are, but if you don't, go and have a look. Right now, we stopped at a place called Bobby's on the main road here in Bedford. Looked pretty cool. We actually did find it on Just Eat the other day, but we decided to pop in. It looks good. So I've swung around the corner. It's over there. Here's a picture of it. Tiny little shop. Man out the front, stirring a pot of stuff. Looks credible, looks authentic. Does the food stack up? So I've got myself a lamb thali. Come and have a look at it. Got some flatbread in here. Let's take the lid off. So I've got my rice, my lamb, yogurt, and a salad. And this was £8.95.
Like the tray.
I like the tray. It looks like got someone a sweet thing in the middle there. This is the sort of content that I wanted to get on the page, something different, you know? Mix it up a little bit, Matt. So look, good solid tray. This is the lamb here. Got a bit of ginger on top. The lady,
Smells so good.
the lady inside was super passionate about how it's all home cooked. She made me some. I said I was doing some food reviews, and she said, "Oh, make sure you tell everyone it's all home cooked." Oh yeah, that. Just lick my knife. That's got a kick. Nice. Here we go. Look.
Smells.
Let's try a bit of lamb.
Smells so good.
The flavour of the curry is absolutely outstanding. Over the meat is probably not as tender. And it's yummy as what I've had. I'm even going to say, the meat's kind of tough, but trust me, it's rice. But £8.95 though, you can't go wrong.
Does that include a drink? Or was the drink separate?
I just gave him a tenner.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Salad on the side, it looks like I've seen better days to be fair. Let's try some of this flatbread.
Is that homemade as well?
Yeah, oh, this is nice. Guys, get in the comments now. Places like this, I'd love to feature more Indian sort of street food. It's full of flavour, spices, passion and love, family, food. All goes together, doesn't it? Get in the comments, please, and let me know where we've got to try. Let's try some of this. Incredible, to be fair. The lamb doesn't quite have that X factor.
Like the yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt. It's good.
So like a raita.
Yeah. The lamb flavour. There's some screaming kids going there.
Oh, we're at school time, aren't we?
We are. Hanging around schools, doing your food reviews. All in all, I think that's been pretty delicious. We've got a spoon down there anyway.
You did, I'm sure you did.
What has he done? What have we done with it?
There.
try this. I'm assuming in the middle, Jess, this is some kind of sweet, like syrup, rose water type bread, dough.
Pastry. Dough.
Really nice. Like a cold, wet, syrupy dough ball. You can see the syrup on it.
Yeah.
It's covered in sugar. Of course it's going to be nice. Bobby's. The shop was full of spices everywhere. Looked amazing. Went for the lamb. It's good. I don't know, the salad doesn't look particularly fresh.
No.
Don't know when that's been out. Looks like the air's got to that a little bit, Jess. Can you have a look at that real close up? Kind of puts me off a little bit, to be fair. Not that I'm a massive salad lover, but I all like my salad and fruit always fresh. I'm not saying that's not, but the lamb in there potentially could have been a bit more tender. That was some tough old, tasty lamb. But all in all, Bobby's on point. I think it's a wicked little tray.
Yeah.
Love the idea of it, love the concept. Bedford, where else should we go? And if you've got any more trays, what's it called again, Jess? Can't remember. Thali. If you know any other gear like this, home cooked, special Indian street food, I want to know about it. Please get in the comments now and let me know. Now, drink watch, not even going to bother. Tango or Pepsi. Tango, Pepsi or water. Should have got water because I don't really want that, but I had a mind inside the shop. Oh, we've got a new bleep feature as well. Did you test out a new bleep feature?
Yeah.
You motherfucking stupid. Who the would you ever go here? Bobby's, not bad, delightful. You gonna try and bleep all that out, yeah?
Oh God.
Good luck. So, I'm gonna give this a score out of 10. I love the concept. Love the look, love the feel of it. Execution for me, a little bit out. I'm gonna give this. Just said it was holding it too low. I'm gonna give this a 6.5. Not a bad score. Good flavours, good base, good product, good price. Missing on a bit of quality for me. Is what it is. We've got to stay truthful. There you have it. Another Amicus sponsored review. How funny is that? My mate using one of our sponsors for his business. Love that. Bravo to Adam and the rest of the team. You're doing a great job. Thanks for watching, everyone. From me, Jess, everyone involved in the FRC family, thanks for watching, and that was a review.